welcome back. My name's Howard. This is my home machine shop. Got the jaws back in the lathe, and I'm going to cut them now. They're roughed out. I'm using a little chip breaker tool that I have, and just going nice and slow. And I'm going to cut the external jaws here. Okay. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Appreciate it. So these are just soft steel jaws, but it's quite an interrupted cut, see? So I'm going to go nice and slow, a little bit at a time. Don't get too carried away and get your work. I got an indicator down here on my way set up to where I don't slam into this face of the jaw. That's pretty important because you won't have a tool lift if you do that. Let's see if it's hitting all the way around yet. Not yet, but we'll get there. I'm going to bring you back when I'm a little further along, but you get the gist of it. So I'll machine this, do this flat, put some reliefs in, and we'll be good to go. Okay, I'll bring you back. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button or the dislike button, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back. You can see I haven't gone very far yet. We got this first step machine on the OD. What I'm doing now is cleaning up this face. And I could probably go a little bit faster, but I don't have too many of these tools left, so like I keep telling you, I'm going to buy some someday. Soon, I hope. Anyway, I forgot to mention, before you do this, you want to check something up on the inside. See, like, I got that, it's a drill bit checked up. There has to be something that's machined pretty good, pretty accurate, and that's all I have, that size. These jaws I got cut pretty small because I make a lot of small parts, little tiny stuff, and that's what these are going to get used for. So you always want to chuck something up, and if I could get to the hard part of this jaw with something, I would. That would be better, but I can't because the end of this jaw sticks out so far past it. gotta do. You gotta start somewhere. Then when I get these trimmed up, I'll chuck something on them and I'll true up that inside jaw. It's pretty true right now, but it could be even closer. So you just set your zeros, make sure you'll slam into stuff. We'll have a zero set to the end of this travel. Get an indicator set for this face. Okay? And I'm only taking like right now I'm only taking 5 or 10 at a time. It's kind of a slow, tedious process. If you've got patience, then you shouldn't be doing this kind of stuff because it takes a lot of patience. Let's try to jump out consistent. Nice and slow. Like I said, you probably go a little faster because it's just soft steel. I'm going to wear my tool out. Okay. Closer. You won't take too much, it just hypnotizes you. You fall asleep and crash with me. You don't do that. So look away. Alright guys, I'll bring you back when I get a little further along, show you the progress. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. My name's Howard. This is my home machine shop. We have success with the soft jaws. They're pretty much done. And you can see the finished product. Come out pretty good. Now they're usable. The way they weren't really usable. There was too much sticking out here. They needed to be finished. So, and they'll get used now. I can actually chuck something down to, I think, 5/32 of an inch, which is pretty small. Which, like I said, I make a lot of, not a lot, but I make some small stuff. And these will come in handy. Plus, if you got a finished part that you don't want to mark up, these work pretty good. They're just soft steel. And like I said, they'll chuck a pretty small part. This is, what is this? That's 1/2 inch. Just to show you, here's a 1/4 inch drill bit. Well, there you go. I think it was actually worth the effort. They run pretty true. I still have to dress up these jaws in here, but they're pretty true. I mean, I did this on the mill. That was the first thing I did, and I actually put another angle here so I could chuck something smaller without the interference here on the corners. Actually, when I did this, I had the angle wrong. Should have been 35 degrees. And I didn't hit that angle just right, but anyway, I compensated by putting angle in this, relieving this edge here. So there you go. And I think they're going to work out real swell. And they run pretty true. This is a blank, roughed out start of a top. I make tops. Kids' toys, you know. This old chuck is pretty wore out, but it's about half a thousandth. You know, this chuck's got a lot of, you're not going to tighten one screw and get it to be running right on the money. But if you start with the main screw and tighten in sequence, you can get it to come in pretty close. So them jaws, I don't even know if I'll mess with them inside jaws. That's not even a half a thousandth right there. So that's good enough for what I do. We're not making aerospace parts. Pretty good. Oh, that's what makes those noise. Some little screws. Someday I'll get a new chuck. There I go with someday again, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Click on the like button, comments, any kind of comment within reason. Don't get vulgar, I don't like it. But we'll talk at y'all later.